Hello, my name is Abhishek. I'm from GSM Exchange. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, my name is Palm Dillon. Company is Sunstrike International. We're a leading distributor for mobile devices. We've been going 27 years. I've been with the company 15 years. And during that period, we've seen the transition from analog to digital.
Can you please tell us what services and products do you specialize in?
We specialize in, and we're highly focused in the distribution of, or redistribution of Apple iPhones.
There have been a shortage of supply in the auctions, which have led the prices going up recently. What do you think the reason behind this?
So the first reason, I think is pretty obvious, is that the high price of mobile devices is leading people to hold on to their devices longer. They're not willing to trade in those devices because the cost of replacing that device will be very high. So you're finding more devices in drawers to save for a rainy day in case of screen cracks. We've got our supply chain routes, and thankfully we're not finding any problem. The problem that we find is finding enough stock to supply, but we have got a healthy supply.
As this is the beginning of the final quarter and the end of the year, how do you think this year have been, and what's your plan for the next year?
This has been a record year on year. We're doing double-digit growth year on year, and we're having a record quarter already. For next year is to maintain double-digit growth and to increase market share through our key strategic alliances that we've got.
Which country and region would you like to explore of the brand you're selling, and why?
There's many countries we'd like to explore. We export to over 85 countries at the moment. There's always room for growth, and watch this space. We'll see which other countries can come on board next year. We're present in the Americas with our own state-of-the-art warehousing and distribution facilities in Dubai for the Middle East, London for Europe, Hong Kong for Far Eastern Asia, India for India. We're present in the major strategic hubs. What we're looking for is that incremental growth, and that's going to come from those smaller countries, and we're looking to expand further over there in country.
Can you please tell me how Dubai GSM Exchange event have been so far for you?
Oh, it's been amazing. Every year. This is the industry standard. It's really good. It's been around since the inception of mobile, and you can look around. I mean, record numbers again this year. Our stand, we're clicking and counting, record numbers this year.